Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel. And if you are in plan for making a website for job searching and recruiting, this video is for you. Recruitment makes easy with this theme, and in fact this theme offers 4 categories of website, and this is for human consultant, lawyer, psychologist and entrepreneur. This theme has been wonderfully crafted, and I will definitely show you the demo of this theme. And this is HR Human Consult theme, and it is searching and recruiting WordPress theme. This theme has been developed by MW Templates, and they are elite authors. Theme was developed in 2017, and regular updates for this theme is also being done. And if we talk about the demos, these are the 4 demos available with this theme. This is HR Human Agency theme, and first one is the Human Consult, which is the core, and another is lawyer demo, third is psychologist, and fourth is entrepreneur. I'll show you all one by one. So basically the theme was made for human consulting, and later it came with all other demos. So we should focus on the human consult first, and it is loading up. Somehow my internet is working slow today, but it will work definitely. And this is human consult layout of this theme, and this demo offers different type of features, like candidates can upload their profile and CV. This is important feature which is being offered by the theme, and this is upload CV system is also here, so attachment can be uploaded through this interface. And another important feature, which is the shop and the appointment. So appointment can be made for interviewing and all such things. So appointment feature is available in this theme, and this is, as I said, appointment feature available in this theme. And different pages have also been crafted with this theme, and job category, single job listings are also here. And this is the attorney law firm demo of this theme. This is also well crafted for the purpose, and you can choose this as well. And this one as the psychologist. Design elements are almost same, just images and descriptions has been changed. So this is business training. So as per your need, you can choose any of the demo. And this is the recruitment job listing, and this feature offers to apply online. This is also important feature in this theme. Okay, so in this video we are going to install the Human Consult WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also preview the theme options along with the demo content and the customizations option. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which 2021 WordPress theme is installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I have a documentation And licensing, some plugins are here. So booked, Envato Market, MWP add-ons, Unishine, widgets and Sneezy maps has been given. Some PSD file has also been given, the main theme file and the child theme file, and this is the documentation. So let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the humanconsult.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same directly in the WP content theme folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. And don't get confused, both activities are same. Either you can upload from WordPress interface, this interface, or directly on your server. So the theme file size is very less. It is lightweight theme. It is just 3.38 MB in size, and it will surely work fast on the website. And the code quality is also good. I have seen in the background. Schema is also good. So this theme can be chosen without any technical doubt, and let it be uploaded first. And once the progress bar turns green with the 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Human Consult WordPress theme, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. So now we can delete the zip one. It is just consuming the server space. And now we can visit the themes section of WordPress. Now we have the Human Consult WordPress theme as another theme option. This is Human Consult version 1.3.0 by MW Templates. Human Consult legit and airy WordPress created specifically for human resource agency. And now we can activate it. Upon activation, we got an alert that we have to install some necessary plugins, and at this stage we will go for the plugin installation. Let us check what plugins are required. These are the list of plugins. In fact, there are many required for running this theme, and this theme also supports WooCommerce, so you can use this theme for your e-commerce activities also. And some plugins are recommended, either we can use to install or not, and rest are required to run this theme. And I am installing all the plugins, as I have to feature and showcase all the features of this theme. And if you are not confident about your server capacity, install the plugins one by one. I am just skipping Envato Market, it is not required. Install the plugins one by one to avoid errors. And if you are in plan for getting the hosting with WP themes, you shall be getting the same capacity server as I am using. So rest assured about the server capacity, and all the plugins has been installed now. And now we can activate all installed plugins. And now all the plugins and the theme itself has been installed. Just go to the dashboard. It may require any further setting, like for WooCommerce. And now everything is fine. WP SC required both directory To Spice page, update your settings. I don't know what is this. Let us check. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Install theme compatible extensions. Let us check what is this. We have detected your current theme compatible with following extension and we recommend to install them. Okay, so that is fine, and it is not required. In fact, it is just a recommendation and it is fine to go. And since we have installed the theme, we can take a look of our website how it looks with the theme and plugins and without any demo content. This is the basic look of Human Consult WordPress theme, and it is of course without any demo content. And at this stage we need to import the demo content to have a target website like this or any of this. So I'll search for the demo content import, and since this theme uses Unison, demo content importer should be available in the tools section, but it is not available as of now. So what we can do, go to the Unison and search for extension that is called backup and demo content. It is required as I feel in my experience, and now it has been installed, backup and demo content. And now let us recheck the yes, so demo content install is now available under tools. Click on that, demo content install, and now we have all the options here. We can choose any for our website as per your requirement. You can choose any here, and I am installing the Human Consult demo, the default one, and the Unison importer is running now. And the best thing with the Unison demo importer that it works very fine. However, it takes time, bit extra, as it resizes the images and downloads all the files from the developer server. But the good part is that it never gets fail, and the demo works fine with this framework. So we have to be here until the process gets complete, and it may take some time, but it will definitely complete with the good things. And database screen is saying everything what is going on, like database restore has been done, image resize store is going on, and once this process will complete, it will automatically redirect to the home page of the website. Let us wait for that. And there are 64 images which is to be resized and restore, and it is going to take around 4 to 5 minutes as I can calculate. So we have to be here, and 11 out of 64 has been done in just few seconds, and now it is being redirected. So let us wait for the good. And yes, we got a wonderful website in this activity, and just images has been blurred in the demo content, but it never mind, because we are finally not going to use the demo images and we are going to use our own images. So these are the features available in the theme, and some file is missing, but it is fine, it can be handled without any doubt. Let me reload this page, and in the background I just did one thing. I installed all the extension which was in alert. I'm sorry I did not included that in video, but I must tell you, you have to install all the extension which is compatible with this theme, and then this demo is fine now, and this we can now compare with the developer demo, and this is our website, and it is fine, exactly same as in the developer demo. And looking for the stuff and also things are also here. So this is the outcome website, and now everything is fine. Upload your CV option is also here. This is about page, job on offer, and all pages has also been given. Appointment is also working fine. So all things are now fine. So it is good to go, and now I'll show you the theme options, and then I'll show you the customization options as well. So Unison we have already seen, and it is for the demo import and the extensions, and portfolio is additional here. Services, we can see what is services. So this is the services visit, and through this interface we can use this and handle the services. This is team, and job board has been additional, so we can handle the jobs here. Job listings can be done from this interface. I'll show you. And this is the job board interface, and if we talk about single listing, this is the listing page which offers certain features as well. Feature description 1 to 3, and the application form fields can be decided here. And this is also good that while posting the job we can use different forms for this, and this is going to be an advantage with this theme, that job can be posted directly on the website and the form can be customized. So this is a great feature, of course. Now I'll show you another thing. WooCommerce is here, and WooCommerce products and rest of things are here, and the customization is access, and there is nothing like theme options, so it must be in the customize option, as I assume. So nothing is additional here, so we can go to the customize option now. And these are the options available for the customization of this theme. And this is site identity, menus, widgets, homepage setting, theme fonts can be handled from here. Theme header, there are different header types, you can choose any as per your choice. So main header can be changed as the central logo and the side logo. theme footer, either can be 3 or 4 columns. Theme color scheme can be changed. WooCommerce, additional CSS. I'll show you the color scheme again. This is the main color 2, main color 3 and 4. WooCommerce settings are here. Miscellaneous option has also been given. Theme preloader, sliding speed. So all the basic settings are here given in the customization section. Now I'll show you how to edit the page content. Let us assume we are going to edit the home page itself. So it is more than simple. Just click on edit page. And now everything is available. So you can simply choose to edit any section just clicking on the gear icon, and you can put anything like this. Heading, text and all things are here. Whatever you want to edit, just click on the gear icon. You will be able to edit, as this theme uses Unison editor, so it works very fine. I have seen it working on the various websites. So you can even change the animation type, etc. So it is good to go, and you can use this theme of course for your upcoming website. And if you are having any question regarding this theme, you can definitely get in touch with me in the comment section of this video, and I am also going to give the link of my website where you can get this theme. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I am going to bring some wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. In this video we have completed the installation of HR Consult WordPress theme, and in the next video I am going to bring a special theme for home automation. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.